Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove virus on Samsung Galaxy A14. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Method 1. Using safe mode, unlock your phone. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button together. A menu will appear with the power options. Tap and hold the power option until you see the safe mode option. Activate safe mode. In safe mode, your phone only runs system apps, so any malware from third-party apps won't run. Once you have checked your apps and files, turn off safe mode to return to normal mode. Safe mode is a useful way to detect if an issue is caused by an app you installed. Method 2. Cleaning storage and memory. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and select the Device Care menu. Device Care helps maintain your phone's performance and protects it from unnecessary junk files that may slow your phone or hide malware. Step 2. In Device Care, go to the Storage section. Here, you can see details like used storage, trash files, duplicate files, large files, and installed apps. Make sure to clean up storage by deleting unnecessary files, clearing trash, uninstalling unused apps, and removing duplicate or large files. Viruses often hide in these areas, so clearing them is very important. Step 3. Go back to the previous screen and select the memory option. Tap Clean Now and wait while it cleans up your RAM. Then check if RAM Plus is activated. If it is, disable it. Cleaning memory and disabling unnecessary RAM extensions can improve performance and remove temporary files that may host viruses. Step 4. Go back to the previous screen and open the App Protection menu. Locate Scan Now and tap it. Wait a few moments while it scans your phone for malicious apps. This built-in scan is essential to ensure no harmful apps are active on your phone. Method 3. Uninstalling suspicious apps. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps to view all installed applications. Step 2. Look for suspicious apps that you didn't install intentionally or rarely use. For example, you might find an Office app or other unknown apps. Open the app, tap Uninstall and confirm. The app will automatically uninstall, removing potential malware. Step 3. After uninstalling, clear app cache and data. For example, open Chrome, go to the Storage menu, and you will see two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap both options one by one. This removes temporary files and any stored data that viruses could hide in. Method 4. Updating software. Step 1. Unlock your phone and go to Settings, then scroll down to Software Update. Tap on it, then select Download and Install. Wait for the phone to check if updates are available. Software updates fix security vulnerabilities that viruses exploit. Step 2. If an update is available, tap to install it. Updating ensures your phone has the latest security patches and prevents future malware attacks. Method 5. Using Play Protect and Malwarebytes. Step 1. Open the Play Store and tap your profile icon at the top of the screen. Step 2. From the menu, select Play Protect. Tap Scan to let Play Protect check your phone for harmful apps automatically. Step 3. After the scan completes, return to the Play Store home screen. Search for Malwarebytes or a similar antivirus app and install it. Step 4. Open the app and follow the instructions. This app will detect and remove remaining viruses, providing an extra layer of protection for your phone. Method 6. Factory Reset. Last option. Step 1. If none of the above methods work, the last option is a factory reset. Open Settings. Step 2. Make sure all important documents and files are backed up. Scroll down and open General Management, then go to the Reset menu. Step 3. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down and select Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions. Your phone will reset automatically, removing all apps, settings, and viruses. After the reset, your Samsung phone will look brand new and be free from any virus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.